On my Instagram page, I posted this picture showcasing what I like to call the blur effect. I did not blur my background using a camera. I used my boy Photoshop. In fact, the original image looked like this. In this video, I want to reveal my secrets that I used to actually make this image. So let me show you how I photoshopped this picture. What I did first was remove an unwanted object, because if you haven't noticed, there's a random device in my picture that I don't want to have. It was pretty simple to remove. All I had to do was use a spot healing brush and then just draw across it, and then voila, it disappeared. It'll make a prediction and calculate how it's gonna look if you were to remove it automatically for you. Photoshop is fucking great. Get it right now. Check out my video how to download Photoshop. And then what I did was I went to select and I loaded my selection because, well, off screen I made a selection. And if you want to know how to make a selection, I already made a video on that. Then what I did was simply apply a blur effect by going to the filter tab and then finding blur and clicking on Gaussian blur. Now with the Gaussian blur, you can set it to pretty much any value you want, but well, in my case, my background actually looked pretty nice, so I kind of wanted to keep it visible. So I'm only gonna put it at like 12 pixels of blur, whatever that means. And there you have it. That was pretty much how I photoshopped my image. Pretty simple, right? I usually only blur out my backgrounds if they look kind of terrible, or if I really want to make something stand out in my photo, like myself. And then of course, when you're done editing your photo, you want to hit save. And you know, you can just save it as a JPEG or a PNG, depending on what you want to do with your image. Thank you very much for watching. For more Photoshop effects, be sure to follow me on my Instagram page and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to see how I make all of the magic happen. I've started being active on Twitter, so feel free to tweet at me and follow me if you want to know what my thoughts are and what I'm working on.